GMC heavy-duty trucks are all about capability, refinement, and performance.
Our goal was to make sure that we had all the capability that any customer would ask for.
New in 2017 is our Duramax diesel engine, where we've increased horsepower, torque.
The torque delivers an effortless feel for the customer. The horsepower increase ultimately increases the total capability to travel uphill quickly.
The most striking characteristics of the Duramax diesel trucks is the beautiful grille. It's this unapologetic front end coming at you that's completely memorable.
This thing is really made to be used. It's sculpted in a way that really exemplifies craftsmanship.
Customers should be excited about the 2017 Duramax diesel because of its tremendous power and torque capability and effortless towing experience.